Now, this question becomes very easy if you understand a logic. So let me first explain you that logic and then we'll go on to the questions. So suppose if there is a principal value of 1,000, I'm just taking one example to narrate you the concept. Rate of interest is, let's say, 10% and a time period is 3 years. We are doing the compounding of this. Now, if I look at the compound interest for first year alone, that's going to be what? 10% of 1,000. That's going to be 10% of 1,000. That's going to be just 100. So that's the interest for the first year. Your compound interest for the second year will actually be a 10% more than this. So then if I look at it as 1.1 times of 100, you are going to realize this will become 110. Right? That's going to be the interest for second year. If you look at the compound interest for third year alone, then that's going to be what? This value multiplied by 1.1, because a factor corresponding to 10% increment is 1.1. So 1.1 times of 110 is going to become 121. So effectively 100 multiplied by 1.1 should give me 110, which should be the second year's interest. Take the second year's interest and multiply it by 1.1, it will become the third year's interest. If you take 121 and multiply it by 1.1, that is going to become what? The fourth year interest, right? This is what the concept tells us, right? Now, if you look at this question, Anil invests some amount of money at the fixed rate of interest compounded annually. If the interest accrued during the second and the third year are 806.25 and 866.72. So what is given to us? Compound interest for the second year is 806.25. And what is the compound interest for the third year? Compound interest for the third year is 866.72. So we should now understand that 806.25 multiplied by a factor x would then become 866.72 with the help of the example that I had given you over here. Correct? So what will be the value of x? The value of x will be 866.72. Divide that value by 806.25. This will become your multiplication factor every single time when you're moving on from one year to the next year. Right? The interest accrued in INR during the fourth year is nearest to what? If I want to calculate the fourth year's interest, then this particular value of 866.72 should be multiplied by this factor, correct? So what will be that value of compound interest for the fourth year? It is going to be nothing but 866.72. Divide that value by 806.25 and multiply that by 866.72. Now your CAT paper allows you the calculator. If you put this on your calculator, you will realize it will exactly come down to 931.72, and that would be the answer for this question.